In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a line of credit, or LOC, the right way in QuickBooks Online. A line of credit is different from a regular loan because you can borrow, pay it down, and then borrow again, all within a set limit. To keep your books accurate, you want to track this as a liability and clearly separate what's principal and what's interest. Let's walk through how to set it up from start to finish. First, we need to create the actual line of credit account in QuickBooks. In your QuickBooks Online, go to the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts live, including assets, income, expenses, and liabilities. In the Chart of Accounts, click the New button to add a new account. For the account type, select Other Current Liabilities. This tells QuickBooks that this is money you owe and expect to pay back within the short term. For the detail type, choose Line of Credit so it's clearly categorized. Then give it a clear, descriptive name, something like LOC, Bank, followed by the institution's name, so you always know exactly which credit line it is. When you're done, click Save. Next, let's record a draw on the line of credit, which is when you actually take money from the LOC and it lands in your bank account. Click the plus New button and choose Bank Deposit. At the top, select the bank account where the funds from the line of credit were deposited. Set the correct date of the deposit and enter the amount you drew from the line. In the category or account field on that deposit form, select the line of credit liability account you just created. This is important. It increases what you owe on the LOC instead of treating it as income. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close. Finally, let's record a payment you make back to the line of credit. Again, click the plus New button, but this time choose Check. Pick the bank account the payment is coming from. Enter the financial institution as the payee so you can see who you're paying on your reports. Enter the total amount of the payment. Now you'll split that total between principal and interest. For the principal portion, select your line of credit liability account. This reduces what you owe. For the interest portion, select your interest expense account. That part is the cost of borrowing and will show up on your profit and loss. Make sure the principal and interest amounts add up to the total payment. Then click Save and Close. By following these steps, your line of credit balance, your bank account, and your interest expense will all stay accurate and easy to understand in QuickBooks Online.